Phil from Rvinyl, and today on Brooklyn Built we're going to be unboxing the brand new Laguna 14 BX Bandsaw. You're going to need 2 people just to get this bad boy up. Hey Darius, can I get a team lift?
Sure thing. Let's go.
Oh man. Most importantly, it comes with the 14BX manual, and I'm going to need that to put this thing together. Has a nice aluminum fence. All sorts of parts that I'm not quite sure of, including this beautiful ruler. Look at that. That is one awesome cast iron top. Ugh. Just skip your gym membership, use this thing instead. All right. Less than perfect. Okay, so it's really heavy, and you're going to want to think about how to get this thing up. Not too bad to lift here. At that bottom part, man, that must be where the 200 pounds are right there. I want to see if I'll be able to lift it up just to get it out of the box. And I think with 2 people, you can do it, as long as you have a helping hand to get it right out. So once you get your 14BX out of the box, it is actually possible to move it, and it moves pretty slick. We have a polished concrete floor, so that does make it a little bit easier compared to maybe doing it in your garage where you might scuff up the floor. But if you don't care, because we have a shop, then it's really not a problem. You can see you can practically dance with this thing. I just can't wait to take it for a drive.